I don't know what to say. I played very good. I think he did too much mistakes. Uh, he gave me a lot of chances, and I did very good points, very good shots on the important points. Uh, this is I think my biggest win in the career, and I'm really happy because of it. In the past I had a lot of problems with health, with injuries, but today I played really very good.
Next round against Italian Thomas Fabiano. Do you know him?
Yes, I know him. We are the same age. We played once before. He won third set 7-6. This match was really hard. We played, I don't know, 3 hours and a half. I hope I will revanche the match, but sorry for this because I'm from the match. It will be, I think, a very good match to watch.
Thank you very much, Janez, and good luck.
Thank you.